Okay, so I want to welcome you to this video on getting started with your PCSSD email. So the first thing I've done today is I went ahead and opened up a browser. I'm using Chrome today, and I have went to the PCSSD.org homepage. There's a couple different ways that we can access our PCSSD email, which is hosted by Google. And the first way I'm going to show you is by going to the PCSSD.org website. So we come up here in the address bar, we type www.pcssd.org, and that'll bring us to the PCSSD homepage. Now up at the top there's a great little list of links, that places you can go if you need to find a directory of the schools or if you need some tech support, but we're going to look at the webmail. So if we click on the webmail link from here, it's actually going to take us to the sign-in page. So that's one way we can do it. So the other thing we can do is we can come up to the address bar and we can type in gmail.pcssd.org, and it's actually going to bring us to the exact same page where we're at from clicking the webmail link from the website. So now what we do when we need to go ahead and sign in, and we're going to use our PCSSD username, which is the same one that you use to log in to the computer. For you guys, it's going to be your first initial, your last name, and the last four of your ID at pcssd.org. Then you're going to put in your password, and go ahead and hit enter or click on sign in, and it's going to take you to your email. So one thing that may come up, it may want you to kind of go ahead and accept your invitation to your new email, and then you're going to have all these different things that you can do within your email. So that's just a quick way to get signed into your email. If we can come over here, we can see this cogwheel. We can click on that, and that's kind of just some of our settings, kind of how dense you want things. If you want to come here, you can go to your settings from here as well, and this is where you can start adding in different labels or filters for your email. You can also come over here to the themes and then pick a different theme. So let's say I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pick the planets theme. It's going to ask me where I am. Oop, I'm not in Argentina. Go ahead and change that to United States. And I am in, well, I don't know why it keeps changing that. So we're just going to say Rock. Go ahead and hit save. And you can see it went ahead and changed the whole backdrop of my email. So I can come back also to the settings, and I can come in here and go labels. This is going to show me the things I see on the side. So have circles. This has to do with Google Plus if I want to see them. Can come look at my inbox, and I can have, if I want to show important things, which are things I can mark, which there's a little video over here that'll explain what those are. Then I can have them override the filters. One of the things I like to do with my inbox personally is I like to just have my unreads first. So it's going to change my inbox a little bit to where I have two different sections. I have everything that's unread and then everything else. So if I have something that's from 4 days ago that I haven't read, it's going to be up there with the emails I'm getting today. And then everything else is going to be the ones that I've done. And so you also have, you can come in here and have your filters if you want certain things to go into certain boxes. If you want to forward your email address, you can do this from the settings as well. Chat, which is going to be your Hangouts, which is going to be we'll talk about that in a different video. Labs are things that Google is just kind of trying out with mail. You can come in here and turn them on or off. Some of them have like a little, widgets that are added to it. Some are other things like, canned response if you're going to be out, putting the maps in the preview. So there's a bunch of different things, and you can either enable them or disable them to add them to to your mailbox. You can also make sure that if you want to use Gmail offline, this would be good if you're traveling and you need to write a couple emails. And then we're back to the themes. So I'm going to come back to my inbox. Oh, I need to go ahead and save. So I need to come down to my, what did that change? It was my inbox. There it is. Need to save my changes. It's going to rethrow it for me. And now you can see I've got all these different emails. So for example, if I open this one up and I go back to my inbox now and refresh my inbox, that one goes away, and now it's down here in the everything else, and I can hide that. Just a little cleaner way to run your inbox. And then if we want to write a new email, all we have to do is click on compose, and it will pop up a little window for us to go ahead and write our email. Okay guys, so that's a really quick overview of your new PCSSD email, which is backed by Google, and since it's powered by Google, you have access to all the other apps that Google has to offer, and we'll be talking about some of those in different videos. Thanks guys for watching today, and we'll see you at a next one.